Hello students, and a very good morning to you. Students, as we are studying chapter 15, that is light, of class 7 science, and this is the second part of this chapter. In first part we have studied about light and how light travels in a straight line, means rectilinear propagation of light. Then we have studied reflection of light, and after that we have studied about images, in which we have studied about real images and virtual images, and how image formed by a plane mirror, in which we have studied about the characteristics of the images formed by plane mirror. Now let's have a look what we are going to study in this part. So in this part we will be studying about spherical mirrors, in which we will study about concave mirror and convex mirror. Then we will study how image formation takes place in concave mirror and convex mirror, as well as we will be studying about their uses. So let's start with spherical mirrors. So students, as all mirrors cannot have the plane reflecting surfaces, as we have studied in first part about the plane mirror, then plane mirror has a plane reflecting surface. Okay, so some of the mirrors, they are curved mirrors, means they have the curved shiny surfaces. So the mirrors having curved shiny surfaces, they are called the curved mirrors. Okay, and the common example of the curved mirror is a spherical mirror. Okay, so spherical mirror, curved mirrors, they are the cut part of a sphere of glasses. That is why they are called as spherical mirrors also. So spherical mirror is the mirror whose reflecting surface is the part of a hollow sphere of glass. Means suppose there is a hollow sphere of glass, and we can cut out one part of that sphere, and if any one of the surface will be reflecting surface, then it is called as spherical mirror. So these mirrors, they are of two types. First one is concave mirror, and second one is convex mirror. As you can see in the diagram, in the first diagram you can see concave mirror, and in the second part is convex mirror. So these two parts, these two mirrors, they are the concave mirror and convex mirror. They collectively, they are called as spherical mirrors or curved mirrors. Okay, so we will study in detail about these two mirrors. And the simplest example of these two curved mirrors you can see at your home. This is spoon. So in spoon, in the inner surface and the outer surface, they act as curved mirrors. So in the outer surface of the spoon also you can see your image, and in the inner surface of the spoon also you can see your image. So in the outer surface, when you can see, it acts as, because in outer surface you can see your image, it means it is the reflecting surface, so it behaves like a convex mirror. And when you will see the your image in the inner side of the spoon, then it means it is behaving like concave mirror. So we will study about concave mirror and convex mirror in details. So first of all we will see concave mirror. So concave mirror is a mirror in which the hollow inner surface functions as a reflecting surface. Okay, it means that the concave surface means it is bent in surface, means it is bent inwards. So concave mirror is that spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the concave surface. Concave surface, as you can see in the diagram, as you can see in the diagram here, in this concave mirror, this is the concave mirror, this one is also, it is a concave mirror. So the inner surface of this sphere, we all know that these two mirrors, means concave mirror and convex mirror, these two are the small parts of the hollow sphere of glass, means they are the part of spherical mirrors. So in concave mirror what happens, the inner surface of the hollow sphere is it is made shiny by painting the outer surface first with mercury. So you can see here this is the outer surface, it is painted with mercury and then with red lead, means lead oxide. So this is the curved mirror. First of all, its outer surface, it is painted with mercury and then with red lead. So when we paint the outer surface of this mirror, it means its inner surface will be reflecting surface. Okay, so just we all know that how we can make a mirror. One surface will be painted, then the other surface will be reflecting surface. So in this concave mirror, when the outer surface is painted with mercury and red lead, then the inner surface will be reflecting surface. So this type of mirror where the inner surface means bent in surface, or the surface which is bent inwards or curved inwards, that surface is reflecting surface, then this type of mirror is called concave mirror. Okay, and when we see a concave mirror from the front, it appears like a thin piece of spherical glass whose front surface is shining and bent inwards, and the back surface is covered with a paint. Okay, and that paint is it is painted with mercury and red lead. So in simple language, we can say the mirror in which hollow inner surface functions as a reflecting surface, means the inward surface is reflecting surface and outer surface is painted, then this type of mirror is called as concave mirror. So now students, our next topic is concave mirror is a converging mirror. So the meaning of converging, I think you all are knowing, because in first part we have studied about the parallel beam of light, convergent beam of light and divergent beam of light. So this word converging, you all are familiar to this word. So what happens, suppose light rays, they are coming from distant source. So these light rays, they are parallel to each other. Suppose a parallel beam of light is falling on a concave mirror, and after reflection, from the concave mirror, the parallel rays of light, they become close together. As you can see in the diagram, these are the parallel light rays which are coming and they are falling on the concave mirror, the reflecting surface of the concave mirror. And after reflection, you can see after reflection, all these light rays, they are coming close together, means they are meeting at one point. So when the rays of light, they come closer, they are coming closer, they are meeting at one point. So the light rays, they are called converging. Okay, and the concave mirror, it reflects the parallel beam of light in such a way that after reflection, all light rays converges or meet at one point. Okay, so you can see all parallel light rays, these are the parallel light rays, they are falling on the reflecting surface of the, this is the reflecting surface of the concave mirror, they are falling on the reflecting surface of the concave mirror, and after reflection, they all are meeting at one point. So if after reflection, the parallel beam of light, after reflection from the surface of the mirror, they are meeting at one point. So that point is called focus of the mirror. Means the point where all reflected rays are meeting, that point is called focus of the mirror. It is also called as principal focus and it is denoted by letter F. Okay, so we can say that the focus of a concave mirror is real. Why it is real? In first part of this chapter, we have studied about real images and virtual images, where you have seen if reflected rays, they are meeting at one point, then they will form real image. So we can say the focus of this concave mirror is also real. Why? Because light rays, they are actually pass through it. So you can see this is the focus, and after reflection, all light rays, all that reflected rays, they are meeting at that point. Okay, so they're actually meeting at this point. That is why this focus will be real focus of the mirror. Okay, and concave mirror it converges a beam of parallel light. So you can say these are the parallel beam of light, and after reflection, when they are striking the surface of the concave mirror, after reflection, all these light rays, they are meeting at point, they are converges at a point. That is why this concave mirror is called as converging mirror. So this concave mirror converges the light rays at one point after reflection. That is why concave mirror is a converging mirror. Now we have to there is one activity in which we have to study the change in position, nature and size of an image formed by a concave mirror by changing the position of the object. So for this, some materials are required as concave mirror. One concave mirror we should have, then mirror stand, lighted candle and white sheet of paper. So what we have to do, first of all we will take a concave mirror. Okay, so as you can see in the diagram, there is a concave mirror. After that, we will place it upright with the help of a mirror stand, and we will place a lighted candle before it about at a distance of 50 centimeter. So first of all, we will place it at the distance of 50 centimeter. Now we will place a white sheet of paper in between the concave mirror and the candle. As you can see in the diagram, in between the concave mirror and candle, one white sheet of paper is there. Now we will move the paper forward and backward till there will be a well defined image of the flame of the candle we get on the paper. Okay, so we will move the paper forward and backward till we get a well defined image of the flame of the candle on the white sheet of paper. Now we'll place the lighted candle at a distance of 40 centimeter from the concave mirror and the paper screen at the back of the candle. So as you can see in the second case, in the case B, now the candle is at the distance of 40 centimeter from the mirror and white sheet of paper is behind the candle. So again we will move the sheet forward and backward, and again we will get a defined image of the flame of the candle on the paper screen. Now we will repeat this process by changing the distance of the candle and the mirror. So here candle acts as a object. Okay, and we will change the distances between them at 30 centimeter or 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So we will observe these some observations. As in first case, the image is inverted and diminished in size. So as you can see, this is the first image that this is the first image that we are getting on the paper screen, and this is the image, this one. As you can see, this is the flame, this is the image of the candle flame, which is inverted means upside down, and diminished means smaller in size. Okay, and in second case, we can notice that the image formed on the screen is inverted and enlarged. So you can also see in the second case the image of the candle flame is inverted and enlarged. Enlarged means bigger in size. And the characteristics of images formed by a concave mirror when the object is moved at distances from different distances from it. So you can see this type of these type of images formed when the object is kept at different distances at the from the mirror. Now, uses of concave mirror. So concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror by men and as a makeup mirror by the woman. Means you can see this type of concave mirror in both for shaving purpose and in the beauty salons also. Now concave mirrors, they are used to produce a powerful beam of light in car headlights and searchlights. So this type of mirror you will find in car headlights and searchlights also. Okay, now they are used in astronomical telescopes to view the heavenly body, means celestial body, which are very far away from us. Now specialist means ear, nose and throat specialists. They are the doctors and dentists. They also use concave mirror to focus the light on a specific part of the body to form a magnified and erect image. Now next type of mirror we will see, next type of mirror is convex mirror. So in spherical mirror, first type of mirror that we have studied, first type of mirror we have studied is concave mirror. The next type of mirror that we will study is a convex mirror. So a convex mirror is a mirror in which the outer bulging surface, it functions as a reflecting surface. Okay, so mirror in which the outer bulging surface acts as a reflecting surface, then this type of mirror is called convex mirror, just opposite to the concave mirror. Okay, and convex mirror is a small part of hollow sphere of glass, and convex mirror, it is also prepared from the small part of a hollow sphere of glass. And what we have done in concave mirror, we have painted the outer surface of the concave mirror. Okay, means outer surface in concave mirror, outer surface was polished, inner surface was reflecting surface. So here what we will do in this type of mirror, you can see this inner surface, this is the inner surface and this one is the outer surface. So inner surface is, it is painted with mercury and then with red lead, means lead oxide. Okay, so when the inner surface, means suppose we are having one curved mirror and now we are painting the inner surface. Okay, inner surface is painted with mercury and red lead, then obviously the outer surface will become shiny and reflecting surface, means outer bulging surface, it will become reflecting surface. So the mirror in which outer bulging surface acts as a reflecting surface, then this type of mirror is called as convex mirror. Now next thing, convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So the meaning of diverging also you are knowing. So what happened when a beam of parallel light rays, they fall on a convex mirror. Okay, you can see here one convex mirror is there. So when a parallel beam of light, it falls on the convex mirror, means reflecting surface of the convex mirror. So we all know that the outer surface is the reflecting surface. So after reflection, the convex mirror what do? After reflection, the parallel light rays, they are spreading out. Spreading out means they are going away from each other. So when the parallel beam of light, it spread out, means they are diverging. Okay, they are going away from each other. They are going away from one another. So when the parallel beam of light, it spread out the light rays, then it is called as diverging. So you can see this is the, these are the parallel beam of light, these are the parallel light rays. When they are falling at the reflecting surface of convex mirror, then after reflection, all these light rays, you can see all these light rays, they are diverging. Diverging means they are going away from each other. So the convex mirror, after reflection, it diverges the parallel beam of light, which cannot meet at a point in front of the convex mirror. So you can see these diverged light rays at the front part of the mirror, they will never meet. Okay, so it is supposed that they will meet at infinite. So in front part of the mirror, they will never meet. So what happened? when they never meet at the front part of the convex mirror, so it is supposed that they are meeting, means they are meeting at behind the mirror. Okay, they are meeting at behind the mirror, means it seems that they appear to be coming from a single point behind the mirror. As you can see in the diagram, this is the point from where they are appearing to come. Okay, so this point, from the point from which the light rays appear to be coming from, this point is called as focus of the mirror, means this is the focus of the convex mirror, means it is denoted as F. So convex mirror, in convex mirror, the focus of the convex mirror is a point which is behind the mirror, from which the parallel light rays, they are falling on the convex mirror, they appear to diverge, means it is appearing that they are appear to come from this point. Okay, so the focus of the convex mirror is a point behind the mirror, from which the parallel rays of light, they are falling on convex mirror, appear to diverge after reflection from the mirror. So the distance from the focus of the convex mirror, it is called so this point is called focus. Okay, and the focus of the convex mirror is behind it. So you can see the focus of this convex mirror is behind the mirror. Okay, now we know that when light rays do not actually meet, when they are appearing to meet, then they form virtual image. So here the focus, it is behind the mirror, because light rays, they are not actually meeting, they are not actually passing through it. That is why this focus will be virtual focus. And the convex mirror, it diverges the parallel beam of light rays. See, they are diverging it is diverging the parallel beam of light. That is why convex mirror is known as diverging mirror. So convex mirror is diverging mirror, concave mirror is converging mirror. Now we will see one activity is there to study the change in position, nature and size of an image formed by a convex mirror by changing the position of the object. So here we will so here some materials are required as convex mirror stand, means mirror stand, lighted candle and white sheet of paper. So for this, what we have to do, first of all, we will take a convex mirror and we will place it upright with the help of stand, means we'll fix it. Now we'll place a lighted candle in front of mirror at the distance of about 50 centimeter, as we have done in the case of concave mirror. Same thing we will do in this case also. We will place the convex mirror with the help of stand. Now we'll place a lighted candle in front of mirror at the distance of 50 centimeter. Now we will place a white paper sheet in between the mirror and the lighted candle, and again we will move the paper screen backward and forward and try to obtain the image of the candle flame. Okay, now again we will place the distance of we will change the distance between the lighted candle and the mirror to 40 centimeter. So first of all it was at 50 centimeter, now we will change it to 40 centimeter. Okay, and paper screen will be behind the candle. Now again we will move the paper screen backward and forward and try to get the image, and again we will repeat this process by changing the distances between the candle, lighted candle and mirror to 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So here we will observe that we will not will not get any image at any point on the screen. Okay, so we will find that no image is formed on the screen at any point, but when we see in the mirror, then we can see there is a small erect image of the flame of the candle. Okay, and the image is not formed at any point on the screen, that is, the image is formed behind the screen. Okay, image is not formed on the screen, that is why we are not getting, you can see here, we are not getting any image on the paper sheet. In this case also we are not getting any image of the lighted candle flame on the paper sheet. Why we are not getting? Because here images are not forming on the surface of the in front of the mirror. We are means no any image is formed in front of mirror. And why it is not formed? Because light rays are not meeting at this point. Light rays are meeting, they're appearing to come at from the behind the mirror. That is why we get the image behind the mirror. Okay, we are not getting any image at the surface of the mirror, we are not getting at the front part of the mirror. That is why we are not getting any image on the paper sheet also. And all the images, with the images which are formed, it is formed behind the mirror. Okay, and when the image is formed behind the mirror, not on the mirror, not on the screen, that is why this image will be virtual image. As these things we have studied in first part, that when light rays they actually meet after the reflection, and in this case the image is can be obtained on the screen, and that image will be real image. Virtual image we have studied when light rays do not actually meet and they appear to come, they appear to meet at a point. In this case we cannot get image on the screen, and it appears that images are formed behind the mirror. That is why that type of image will be virtual image. So in this case you can see no image is formed on the screen, because no image is formed on the surface of the in front part of the mirror. All the images which are formed is behind the mirror. That is why when we will see in the mirror, when we look into the mirror, in that case only we will see there is the formation of one small image, and that image will be virtual image. So now it is clear that concave mirror can form concave mirror forms real images, as well as it can form virtual yes, a concave mirror can form real images, and convex mirror form virtual images. Now uses of convex mirror. So convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles, as you can see in the scooters and motorbikes and cars, scooties. So it is used as rear view mirror to capture a wider area, because it form diminished image, it form small image. Diminished means smaller images. That is why convex mirror is used as rear view mirror in the vehicles. Convex mirror is also used as a reflector in street lights. In a street light reflector, the bulb is placed at the focus of the mirror, and reflected rays get diverged and scattered over a larger area, because we are knowing that convex mirror is a diverging mirror, so it diverges the light rays. And it is also used in the shops to view what is going on the shop, means for watching everything, that type of mirror is used, because again it forms a smaller image, it forms the diminished image, so it captures a very wider area. So it is used in the shops also. So students, in second part we have studied about spherical mirror, that is concave and convex mirror, and how images formed, and we have studied about their uses. And in next part we will study about lenses, in which we will study about convex and concave lens, their images formation and their uses. So please read the chapter carefully and then watch the video. Thank you students.